How to make schedule in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the calendar application on your iPhone. Now, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new event. On the new event page, enter a title for your event in the designated field. Next, you can also add a location if required. Then, tap on the Starts field to select the date and then use the time picker to set the start time. Similarly, tap on the End field to set the end date and time for the event. Tap on Repeat and choose an interval, such as every 2 weeks. You can also assign the event to a specific calendar, like work, and set an alert to remind you beforehand. Once you've entered all the details, tap on the check mark in the top right corner to save. The event is now added to your calendar, and you can see it on the selected date. Following these steps, you can easily make a schedule on the iPhone calendar.